Okay, so you can see what we've done with the natural hair. We started like that and then went like this and stopped there, and then went to the front because we're gonna have like a side parting and a curved side parting, so the cornrow is gone curved and all this is coming down. But something interesting I'd like you to see is how I've put this hair back into the cornrow, and this is one of the things you see in our DVD that's teaching you how to create cornrows for weaving. So look at her, she's got quite a lot of hair and it's very thick and it's natural. So what happens is the hair gets thicker and thicker as you go further down. So how do you resolve that? Either we would have finished and stitched it down, which makes it even a lot more thicker, or you invert it back into the cornrow like I've done. So that DVD pack shows you all of that. And so I'm going to carry on and put this back in and then finish this remaining 2 strands so you can get the full look of what this cornrow looks like. Remember, this video is not about showing you how cornrow is done. You can always get that from our DVD pack.